guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashika and I'm a CBSE 10th grader and 2 दिन बाद मेरा science का pre-board exam है. So in this video, I'll tell you all exactly how I study for that. So it's going to be a really productive study vlog. Make sure that you watch till the very end because I'm sure you'll feel really motivated by the end of this video, and I'll share my best tips and tricks, and I'll tell you all how exactly I complete मेरे पूरे syllabus का revision and how you can also study for your pre-board exams. And considering मेरा science का pre-board है, you'll probably get some tips on how to study science properly. I'll show you all how I make my notes. I'll show you all how I do my last minute revision and everything. So yeah, you don't want to miss out on this. So make sure that you watch till the very end and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that motivates me to make many more such videos for you all. And also follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. I upload exclusive content on Instagram. So if you're interested in that, follow me over there. Now without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So this is my to-do list and I want to revise maximum syllabus आज, क्योंकि कुछ chapters I would want to revise twice. Also guys, मेरे last exam में मेरे bio में इतने ज़्यादा marks कटे थे. Like जो मेरा midterm का exam था, I scored like 73, 72 something out of 80. एंड मेरे बायो में सारे नंबर मेरे ऑलमोस्ट बायो में ही कटे थे. लाइक इन फिजिक्स एंड केम आई लॉस्ट 1 mark ईच एंड बाकी सारे मार्क्स मेरे बायो में कटे थे. सो दैट इज़ वाई दिस टाइम आई बी फोकसिंग ऑन बायो मोर ऑल्सो. Like when I was studying science before my pre-board started, I focused more on physics and chem. तो मैंने तब भी bio पे उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया है. So in these prep leaves, we'll have to focus on bio थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा because I do not want to repeat those same mistakes and I do not want to disappoint my teacher again because last exam was like extremely disappointing. So yeah, considering हमने अपनी to-do list भी लिख ली है, like we should start studying now. Also one more thing I would like to share with you all. As you can see, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर 6 PM लिखा है, that basically means that I want to complete all of these tasks by 6 PM. See, when we assign a timeline to our task, then we're like more likely to complete it because then it's like you're bound by a deadline. And when we have a deadline, we're more likely to achieve it. And that, like, whenever I have done this, like whenever I have assigned a timeline to my tasks, I found myself so much more productive and I found myself planning my breaks properly. And that also like allows me to not get distracted easily. And like जब मेरे को रुकना होता है, अपना ब्रेक ख़त्म करना होता है, then I am able to do that because I know that if I don't stop, then I won't be able to complete all the tasks. So that is how that works. So first of all, I'll be doing control and coordination and I will revise my class notes. Like in our school exams, our teacher expects us to write answers from her class notes and to not miss the points that she has there. And her class notes cover the entire NCERT and also the extra stuff. So that is why I prefer studying from her notes instead of studying from the NCERT. But I would still refer the NCERT bar because I am paranoid like that. Anyways, now I will start studying. Also, guys, do you know over 838 plus PW students qualified the IOQM exam in 2025 with one student who scored over 80 marks, 7 students scored over 70 marks, and 15 students scored over 60 marks, and 54 students scored over 50 marks. You could also be one of them because PW has brought the special IOQM 2026 Power Batch with two-way live interaction, on-time doubt resolution, hard copy modules, and Khazana. You will get trained by the same mentors who helped thousands of students fulfill their IOQM dreams. Use my coupon code ASH500 for additional discount. All the links will be in the description. Anyways, so I was revising my notes and I was also writing down the important stuff in my last minute revision page. I will tell you more about it in detail like बाद में in the video. And जो भी important diagrams थे, जो भी important questions आ सकते हैं exam में, उन सबको मैंने लिख के practice किया so that I know how to write in the exam. I'm feeling kind of sleepy, so I will take a 20-minute nap. Because if I'm sleepy, then I won't be able to focus and I'll just end up wasting my time. I hope I wake up in the next 20 minutes. I hope this nap does not last a long time. और मैंने अपनी सारी books अपने bed पे निकाल रखी हैं. So I'll have to keep those somewhere as well. I'll see you all in 20 minutes. Anyway, so I woke up now and 20 minutes की जगह 40 minutes लग गए, but that's not bad. Usually my 20-minute naps last for 3 hours. so it's fine. I also washed my face, that's why it's a little wet, because I do not want to feel sleepy. And now let us start studying again. After my nap, I was feeling pretty energetic, and now I continued doing control and coordination क्योंकि last time मैंने पूरा complete नहीं किया था. It is actually a really long chapter, but I want to do it बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से because I don't want to lose marks in this chapter again. Also, when I'm studying a long chapter, I don't just go for bland NCRT reading. Instead, I'm reading a subtopic, then I'm recalling it in my head out loud. And if I miss anything, I write it down separately to remember it. And also, I practice all the questions that I can find in the NCRT, like the index questions, back exercise, and all of that, because it is very important for exam POV. मैंने पूरी theory अच्छे से कर ली है, and I have also practiced all the in-text questions. So now let us just practice these exercise questions once again, and after that I'll check it off my to-do list. I obviously want to practice more questions of this chapter, but मुझे already एक बज चुका है इतना करते करते, and I have a lot more to do. So I will practice इस chapter के questions like once my entire syllabus is finished. Because right now I had to focus on learning the theory portion, because like midterm का जो मैंने learn किया था वो मुझे maximum, like I remembered the concepts but I did not remember enough to write proper answers in the exam. So उस point of view से I had to learn like कि मैं एग्जाम में आंसर्स लिख पाऊँ, like I had to learn in proper pointers and everything. So now I've done that, and now I'll just practice these questions, and after that we'll move on to the next task because I've already delayed everything like a lot. इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया एक ही चैप्टर को करने में. Anyways, whatever, let us start. Anyways, so abhi I'm practicing the exercise questions only, and basically I write down the answer in my notebook, and after that I open the NCRT solution somewhere, like Google पे मिल जाएगा if you search it up, and I cross check my answer point by point. If the important points are there the answer, if any particular point is missing, I make sure to remember it and to write it down in my mistake notebook so that I don't miss that point in the exam. If you are practicing NCRT questions but you are not verifying your answers properly, then there is no point in practicing those questions. So make sure जब भी तुम questions को practice करो, you verify them also from a source. Then I checked it off my to-do list. Finally इतनी देर के बाद ये chapter खत्म हो ही गया, and then I had to take a break, so I was eating these peanuts and I was watching Netflix. Now I will do आर एनवायरमेंट, जो एक बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है, सो आई होप ये फटाफट कंप्लीट हो जाए. आई हैव माई स्कूल का हैंड आउट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इसमें एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन है. सो आई वॉज रीडिंग माई हैंड आउट, आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू माई NCRT एज वेल, एंड वी ऑल्सो हैड अ PPT जो हमारे स्कूल वालों ने प्रोवाइड करी थी. सो आई वेंट थ्रू दैट PPT एज वेल बिकॉज NCRT में ज़्यादा कुछ दिया नहीं हुआ है इस चैप्टर में, बट क्वेश्चन डू कम बियॉन्ड NCRT. So that is why I felt it is important to revise from the handout as well. And after that, I practiced a bunch of questions from this chapter also, क्योंकि last time मेरे इस chapter में भी marks कटे थे. After that, my dad gave me lunch, so I ate that. It was really yummy. And उसके बाद मुझे ये chapter start करना था, how do organisms reproduce. This is also a really big chapter, but हम most part इस chapter का 7th class में पढ़ चुके हैं, तो मुझे मतलब आता ही है काफ़ी हद तक. And class में भी मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा था, and class से पहले भी I had done this chapter once, so that is why I didn't have to do it that thoroughly. I just saw the first few paragraphs of this chapter which were not that familiar to me, so उसके लिए मैंने अलग से का lecture खोल के वो वाला part पढ़ लिया and समझ लिया. And after that, the rest of the chapter I could do myself, and I was also revising मेरी class teacher के notes because her notes are like NCRT and beyond NCRT as well. They include everything which I will probably require for my board exams. में extra information ही होता है, and also second of all pre boards में check तो इन्हीं को करना है. So the pointers she expects in our answers, she already makes us write in the notes, so it's best that we learn from there. And you should also refer तुम्हारे school के resources for pre boards or any school exams that you have. Also guys, pre boards and boards को separately consider मत करो. Consider pre boards as तुम्हारा board का practice. This is basically तुम अपना syllabus complete कर रहे हो to give a mock test for your board exams. Do not think of it as like a very big exam that you have to give, and prepare accordingly. Don't try to rush your syllabus to just complete it for the sake of completing. अभी फिलहाल 4:35 हो रहे हैं, and I just completed reproduction वाला chapter. It is a huge chapter. That is why it took me a really long time to do, and plus I had to have my lunch also बीच में. So yeah, and now I want to practice थोड़े से questions उस chapter के right now. So I will practice the NCERT questions. After that I will practice some PYQs so that अच्छी खासी question practice हो जाए, because then I'll get to know कि मुझे आ गया है या नहीं आया chapter.
या सो अब मैं एनसीईआरटी की बैक एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. काफ़ी लोग इसको स्किप कर देते हैं थिंकिंग इसमें बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बट फिर जब एग्जाम में यही क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू आंसर. एंड गाइस, इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग किसी रेफरेंस बुक से, सबसे पहले अपनी एनसीईआरटी के सारे क्वेश्चंस तुम्हें आने चाहिए, उसके बाद ही रेफरेंस बुक से किया
Now
करो.
I'm done with practicing the questions, and now we'll move on to the next chapter, which is acid, bases, and salts. And I have already done this chapter, and I revised the part of this chapter which I did not know that well. As I already told you all in the beginning of the video, physics and chem I have already revised, like mostly. So I won't be reading the theory part. Instead, we will be practicing questions from acid, bases, and salts. So I'll look up previous year questions and we will be practicing those.
This is one of the best ways to revise a chapter. Instead of blindly reading the NCERT, just practice some PYQs from that chapter. And suppose तुमने last 5 years के PYQs practice करे, तुम्हें उसको practice करने के बाद ये समझ आ जाएगा कि तुम्हें कौन सा topic उस chapter से नहीं आता है. Then you can revise that particular topic once again instead of rereading the entire chapter, because once you practice questions, you know what topic is important and you also know where you are lacking. So you will be able to like cover that up.
I'm done with practicing acid, bases, and salts के questions. So I practiced like 50 questions of acid, bases, and salts, and I have a satisfied response. I was able to solve most of the questions, and I was not able to solve a few things which I have checked, learnt, and also written down in my mistake paper. So we have that. Now let's move on to the next thing, because I don't have time to take a break. I had to complete 6 chapters by the time it was 6, but it's almost 6 and I have done 4 chapters, not 6. So we're not at a good pace. So that's why I cannot take a break and I need to continue studying. Next thing I have to do is carbon and its compounds, and first of all I would like to go through a few topics of the NCERT and then I'll be practicing questions. मुझे कुछ topics वापस revise करने हैं, like the reactions and soap detergent वाला topic, and after that we will do the exercise एक बार and then we will practice previous year questions. Also guys, let me show you how I make my proper revision notes during exams, and these don't take that long to make. You just need to make them while you're preparing and they will be really helpful for your board exams as well. Let me show you acid, bases, and salts का मैंने कैसे बनाया है. So this is the paper where I have written all the information for this chapter, like जो मुझे चीज़ें भूलती हैं, जो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है आंसर के लिए, and the pointers which I would like to include, and the small things which are there in the NCERT and I can very easily miss, I have written over here, and it takes like less than 10 minutes to revise. And yeah, it is a really good way to revise the entire chapter. You all should also try to make short notes like this, like in 1 page only. And I have literally done this for every single chapter of science. Anyways, now I'll start doing carbon and its compounds.
अब मैं कार्बन एंड कंपाउंड्स के वो वाले टॉपिक्स प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ जिनमें मेरी जनरली मिस्टेक होती है. एंड आई वाज रीडिंग इट फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी एंड आई वाज आल्सो प्रैक्टिसिंग द इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड आई वाज वेरीफाइंग देम गूगल से. ऑल्सो गाइज, इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन या फिर मेरी किसी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में कोई मिस्टेक होती है, देन आई मेक श्योर टू राइट इट इन माई मिस्टेक नोटबुक, एंड दिस रियली हेल्प्स मी टू नॉट रिपीट दैट मिस्टेक अगैन. एंड इट विल ऑल्सो बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, बिकॉज बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के टाइम आई कैन जस्ट रेफर टू माई मिस्टेक नोटबुक एंड आई विल इंस्टेंटली नो मेरे वीक पॉइंट्स क्या हैं एंड मेरे स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या हैं, सो दैट आई कैन work on improving those weak points instead of like spending time to just refine what I already know. And जब भी तुम किसी चीज़ को read करो, try to read it as if you're teaching it to somebody. Like sometimes I also teach my younger brother, but yeah, try to read it as if you're teaching the topic to somebody else. That way तुम्हें वो topic actually में समझ आएगा and जो exam में competency based questions आएंगे उनको तुम answer भी कर पाओगे.
So ये वाला topic भी complete हो चुका है and फिलहाल it is 7:41. आई थिंक इतना सारा काम करने के लिए 6 PM की डेडलाइन रख के आई ओवर एस्टिमेटेड माई सेल्फ, बट इट्स फाइन. एटलीस्ट वी आर डन विथ 5 चैप्टर्स एंड टोटल 12 चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं. सो नाउ आई विल प्रैक्टिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के क्वेश्चन. इस चैप्टर में मुझे भी थ्योरी से कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव डन इनफ. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस, एंड उसमें ज़्यादा टाइम मुझे नहीं लगेगा. दैट विल टेक लाइक 45 minutes मैक्स, बट लेट मी सी क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कहाँ से करना है. Okay, so I will do it from this book because I have not yet practiced electricity from this book. So we will practice सारे questions जो भी हमारे यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं.
NCRT वाले questions I think I have done. So I will practice all the MCQs and बाकी जो subjective questions हैं long short, we'll practice all of that. ये वाले क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आई डेफिनेटली गॉट हम्बल्ड बिकॉज बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स हुई थी एंड ये करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत अच्छे से फ़िलहाल तो नहीं आते हैं एंड आई डेफिनेटली नीड टू प्रैक्टिस मोर ऑफ दैम बट कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास 2 दिन और हैं सो आई कैन प्रैक्टिस काफ़ी न्यूमेरिकल्स इन 2 days. Also, I was listening to music while doing this chapter because इसमें mostly maths है and maths करते करते I listen to music. You would know that if you are consistent on my channel. And जो questions मुझे doubt आ रहा था उनको मैंने Google से वापस like cross check करके देख लिया एक बार. मुझे अपने सारे tasks करने में actually ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा time लग गया because the first chapter control and coordination actually took a long time to complete because I wanted to do it काफ़ी अच्छे से because I did not want कि वापस मेरे marks lose हों. Anyways, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you're feeling like motivated up. So go study if you have made it till the end and do comment like a pink heart so that I know that you watched till the very end. Do subscribe if you enjoyed it and like this video. Love you always. Bye bye.